All right, so we're going to unbox this magnetic wireless car charger by Vicseed. And I've already unboxed it and took everything out of its things, plastic, so it'll be easier for you guys. Here's the unit itself. And you can see it says Vicseed there, and there's a circle there that's magnetic. You put your iPhone right on there, and it charges it. And here's the port where your connector to your vents goes. And so the way the ball sets in there, you kind of have to snap it in. But before you do that, what you have to do is put the collar on like this. See that? And then you can go ahead, get on here, push it on, and then tie her down by just, tightening it up like that. To tighten this up, what you're going to do is slide your fingers in and just twist this, and it tightens on there. Watch, I'll show you. Stick my finger in. Look. Ow, that kind of hurts, though. Let me unhook that. All right, so that's basically the unit. It comes with a USB-C, and there's a port right here that you plug it into, and hopefully your car has a USB-C. All right, so that's the basic unit. It goes on the vent, right? So now it also comes with this thing here, and it comes with these magnets. So the magnet's supposed to set on your phone, and then it pops right on there. So here's a white one, and they also have a black one here. But I think the white one is the one you want to use, right? And so this part goes up, this part goes down. So to put it on your phone, what you have to do is you're going to get this match-up thing here. Let me slide that over. All right, so now what you do is you're going to put this here, right? And basically, I guess you could do it like this. I don't know if it, yeah, it's got to go this way. So you're going to go like that. And then I think you're supposed to match this with the top and the bottom of the phone. But you know what? It's really not exactly a super duper thing. They want you to use this to clean your phone first, which we might as well just do since that's what they want you to do. So you just kind of get this kind of clean, wiping it down. Of course, now look at it's got like water on it, so I'm just going to wipe it on my shirt. All right, so anyway, here we are. So we want to use the white one because this is a white phone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel this off here like that, drop that in the garbage. And then what I'm going to try to do is I'm trying to get just under this Apple signature and get it so it just kind of sets almost perfectly in the center. Bam, there we go. So now we're going to smush that down so make sure that it's on there. And then basically the way it works, this is, you can see the writing here, right there, you see that? So this is just going to set on there like that. And then you're good. You're ready to go. Just like that. That's how you do it. So this is a pretty simple system. We just got to hook it into the car. And then the key thing is that if you've got, you need a block, all right? A USB-C block if you don't have one. By the way, this is the length of this. You see? And so you're going to hook it on your vent. Then you're going to pop this in the bottom here, just like this. And then hopefully, maybe you've got a USB-C in the newer cars. If you don't, you're going to have to buy a block for this to work for you. So I just want to warn you about that now. All right, so anyway, since we can't charge it in the car right this second until we get that other block, I'm just going to go ahead and use this USB-C that I have hooked to a power block and connect it on the bottom of this one. And when I do that, you're going to notice it turns green at the very bottom. See that little green light? So that means we're ready to rock and roll. And I might just go ahead and just take this off for now and just kind of use this in the house until I get my other block. And I can just go like that. And really, I can just set it right on there. Bam. And that thing will charge right there. I don't have to even worry about it. So I can just leave the phone there and charge it. How's that grab you? Here's a Dragon Touch camera. And then later on, when I find the block, we'll hook it back up to the car. All right, and so we'll just let her charge and see how she does. All right, so we just came back, and here it is, 22%. Not too bad. So we're doing pretty good. And I think I'll just let that thing sit there and charge. Oh, I just for some reason, it went to 21. All right, let's get out of there. Okay, so anyway, this Vicseed magnetic wireless phone charger or car phone charger comes with a USB-C on both sides. And it's long. I mean, look, watch. I'll just pull it through here. I mean, it's a long, long cord. But you can't use this in conventional cars because conventional cars don't have a USB-C port. So I happen to have this shorter USB-C here to traditional USB. So you're going to need this to hook this up in your car, all right? So this basically comes with 1, 2, 3, if you count the collar, 4 parts, and your magnets, 5, 6 parts, because the magnets that go on the back of the phone, you know, because that's how it sticks onto the phone, right? So you have to put that in the center. I had the phone upside down. It should be like that. But anyway, just know that when you buy this, you're going to need to either order or buy a USB to USB-C to use in your car. Otherwise, you're going to have to get a block that works with a USB-C. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to switch cars because this one is out here. We want to tighten this. We're going to tighten this down a little bit, and then we're just going to put it on here. And if I turn it, you can see me doing it, right? All right, now what's cool about this one here is now that's on there, right? Now I found, right, so we've got that connected, right? Nice and tight, as you can see. And now what we've got to do is we've got to get our USB-C, which is this, plugged into the bottom there. So we're just going to smush it in there. Make sure we get it on there. Now you're not going to see anything right now, but now I'm going to take this, I'm going to plug it down in here to this USB port. And when I do that, watch, I'm going to unplug it right now. Let me unplug it. Now look there, you don't see any green. Now I'm going to plug it in, you see? And I'm going to put it up here, watch. See how that turns green? That tells me that's working. So this is USB-C, that's regular USB. And you have to have the car running. As you can see, I got the keys that were running, got the AC on. I got this turned down because I don't want to, otherwise I could have a problem with the copyright. So now to get your phone on, what you're going to do is you're just going to bring it here and try to match those 2 circles together, and it just slaps on there like that, and bam, it's charging. You saw that. And so everything's working perfect, and that's basically how you do it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos. Oh, by the way, this is a Ford Escape. All right, peace out.